Good morning, kids. How are you all? Hope you all are enjoying your studies and you all are not irritating your parents as well. Okay, kids, now take out your Fun with English book. Take out your Fun with English book and open page number 36. 36, 36 and 37, 37. Open page number 3636 and 3737. Kids, today we are going to study about the alphabet K. Today we are going to study about the alphabet K. Okay. And this alphabet K gives the sound of K. This alphabet K gives the sound of K. Okay? K. This alphabet gives the sound of K. So today we are going to study about K sound words and K sound story. Okay? Today we are going to study about K sound words and K sound story. So kids, let's begin with the K sound words. Let's begin with this K for key, or we can say K for key. K for key. K for cuckoo. K for cuckoo. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. K for kid. Every day I used to say, hello kids, how are you? So this is K for kid. K for kid. K for kitten. K for kitten. Kitten किसे कहते हैं? बिल्ली के बच्चे को क्या कहते हैं? किटन कहते हैं. बिल्ली के बच्चे को क्या कहते हैं? किटन. K for kitten. K for kitten. K for kite. K for kite. K for king. K for king. K for kettle. K for kettle. And K for kick. K for kick. अगर हम पैर से किसी चीज़ को मारते हैं ना, तो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? किक करना. पैर से किसी चीज़ को मारते हैं उसे हम कहते हैं किक करना. बॉल को मारते हैं हम लोग पैर से. फुटबॉल खेलते हैं तो हम लोग पैर से बॉल को मारते हैं. इट इज़ कॉल्ड किकिंग. किक करना. ओके, इट इज़ कॉल्ड किक. Now children, with these words key, cuckoo the kangaroo, kid, kitten, kite, kick, kettle, king, I am going to narrate you a short story. I am going to narrate you a short story. Okay? Okay. K for Karan, we can say. K for Karan. Karan is a name. K for Kavita. Kavita is also a name. And हम लोग rhymes को क्या कहते हैं? Rhymes is also known as Kavita in Hindi. K for Karan. K for Kavita. Okay, let's begin with the story. Let's begin with the story. Cuckoo kangaroo was very fond of flying kites. Cuckoo kangaroo was very fond of flying kites. Fly मतलब उड़ना. और कुकू कैंगरू को काइट्स उड़ाना बहुत ही पसंद था. Cuckoo kangaroo was very fond of flying kites. One day, He locked his house and came out to fly kites. One day, he locked his house and came out to fly kites. He hung the key on the branch of a tree. He hung the key on the branch of a tree. The baby kitten was also with him. The baby kitten was also with him. Some children were playing near the palace. Some children were playing near the palace. This is palace. Palace matlab महल. Some children were playing near the palace. The kind king was having tea outside the palace. The kind king. kind मतलब दयालु, जो बहुत अच्छा होता है, किसी पे गुस्सा नहीं करता है, हमेशा सबसे प्यार से बात करता है और सबकी मदद करता है, उसे हम कहते हैं काइंड. काइंड मतलब दयालु. द काइंड किंग वॉज हैविंग टी आउटसाइड द पैलेस. अ किड requested the kangaroo. A kid requested the kangaroo to give him the kite to fly. एक बच्चे ने kangaroo से request किया कि वो उसे kite दे ताकि वो kite उड़ा सके. The other kid who was playing with a ball, the other kid who was playing with a ball kicked the ball and hit the kettle. The other kid who was playing with a ball kicked the ball and hit the kettle. The kid got scared. The kid got scared and said sorry to the king. The kid got scared. बच्चा बहुत ही डर गया. बच्चा क्या हुआ? बहुत ही डर गया. The kid got scared and said sorry to the king and went away. So this is the story with the k sound words. This is the story with k sound words. In this story we have learned new words which are action words. जो हमें क्या सिखा रहे हैं? एक्शन करना सिखा रहे हैं. जो है क्या है? फर्स्ट इज फ्लाइंग. फर्स्ट इज फ्लाइंग. फ्लाइंग मतलब उड़ाना. एंड सेकेंड इज किक. सेकेंड इज किक. किक मतलब मारना. किक मतलब पैर से मारना. एंड थर्ड वन इज फ्लाइंग. सॉरी, थर्ड वन इज प्लेइंग. प्लेइंग मतलब खेलना. प्लेइंग मतलब खेलना. Okay, so these are the words. Now learn the pronunciation of these words. Learn the pronunciation of these words and write one page writing. Write one page writing with the letter K. With the letter K. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.